Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss how you can get your username that you have forgotten in your Wells Fargo account. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wellsfargo.com/mobile-online-banking/. So once you type it in, you will be redirected to its home screen where you need to click on the sign on button. So once you tab it open, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So now all you need to do is click on the forgot username or password option given below. So once you tap it open, you have to type in your SSN or ITIN number to retrieve your username back. If you had forgotten your password, you could have simply typed in your username. However, as you have forgotten your username, you have to type in your SSN or ITIN number and click on continue. Once you do so, now you have to enter your birth date and simply press the continue button again. So the final step is to typing in your card, account or loan number. Once you fill up this credential and click on continue, you can retrieve your username. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.